Hello and good morning and welcome to Saxo Bank's morning call. Today is Thursday the 24th of January and I am Christian Blodvier. The overnight bullets. Yesterday we had Swedish unemployment rate out at 5.6% as expected, and UK GDP was out a little less than expected, that is 0.6% versus 2.9% expected. Growth are slowing obviously down in Britain. Norway left the interest rate unchanged yesterday, and as well as New Zealand left their interest rate at 8.25%, in line with expectations. The market developments overnight was that the yen is trading higher against all major crosses. Dollar yen is now trading 106.40, and euro yen is trading around 155.30. Majors hold a range in the current trading. That is, we have euro dollar trading around 146.00 and cable around 195.00. Stocks. Yesterday's news in the U.S. session that the U.S. government may want to bail bond issuers out by the helping hand of U.S. investment banks makes stocks rally intraday. At the opening, the U.S. stock markets were down by 2%, but intra-rally of almost 4% made the S&P 500 close 2.14% higher. Fixed incomes, treasuries consolidate after yesterday's rally. Bonds little changed, Japanese government bonds little changed. However, commodities, we saw crude prices consolidate around $88 a barrel after yesterday's sell-off, and gold in Asia is currently trading higher on rate cut speculation. Spot prices around now $891.50. So what is going on? The U.S. stocks, as I told you, snapped a 5-day losing streak with both S&P 500 and Dow Jones making dramatic turnarounds in intraday trading. Fed funds indicate right now that 76% probability that the FOMC will decide on a 50 basis rate cut on their meeting next week on January the 13th. If such cuts is delivered, the Fed will have chosen to cut the interest rate in the U.S. by 125 basis points in January. While fears of recession have hit the U.S., the Chinese economy continues to be in a very powerful counter trend. The growth rate for Q4 was 11.2%, slowing marginally down from Q3, where the growth rate was 11.5%. Despite raising banks' reserve ratios to a 20-year high. The calendar today is that we have the Swedish PPI out at 8:30 GMT. We have the German IFO figures out at 9 GMT. We have labor market data out from the US at 13:30 GMT. That is initial jobless claims and continuing claims. And we have also housing market data out from the US at 1500 GMT. That is existing home sales. And we have crude oil inventories out at 15:30 GMT. And tomorrow we have a string of CPIs, consumer price indicators from Canada, and that's pretty much it from tomorrow. Today's FX trade is a dollar CAD trade. If the dollar CAD falls through the support of 102.05, it may have a look at the 101.40 Fibonacci area, and we keep stops tight, perhaps at 102.13. So we sell dollar CAD at the break of 102.05. Today's equity trade is that we buy British Airways at the break of 314. That is, we are entering a position within 314 to 318, targeting 338. We are keeping a tight stop loss below 307. That was all for Saxo Bank's market call today. Thank you for joining, and we hope you see you tomorrow.